Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of My Brother's Keeper. Do forgive the voice, we still have a little bit of flu, but it's going away bit by bit. Now, uNcubeko has decided ukuthi ayotshela umamkhulu wethu get off. Wathola umamkhulu asasmayile ahleli etafuleni, mtshela ukuthi wena girl, ngicela ungibheke kahle, your days of being free are numbered. Wena kahle kahle u-jailbed, wena umajele, untombazane ebhilonga ejele, and this is your last day outside. I am going to open a case. You are going to get arrested. Remember, she is being arrested, or she's going to uNcubeko is going to open a case of attempted unaliving because ugo uye wampoisona ngekhekhe wamenzela i-dessert, and in that dessert she poured whatever dangerous substance that almost took uNqubeko's life. And at this point, remember, uDoreen Majola ufuna umshengu, so she's also willing to do everything and anything to divide the family so that she is the one that gets in. Now the case is going to be opened, and obviously ugel bayomfahlaka, and asazi ukuthi for how long and how long will the trial continue. But looking at how fragile ugirl is, I do not think she will survive. She is fragile because uDoreen Majola umtshela ukuthi wena awuthandwa, the reason lo muntu anawe is because of kahle he felt sorry for you nani. This person begged me not to go to UK, and I forced to go to UK. So if I did not go to UK, literally you would not have a husband. So nje imhethile leyo nto ukuthi uDoreen why uthatha into esho kumakhwapheni. Yeah, but you know how wives are. But yeah, that's what's happening. Utsiri is pushing and pressing hard for Undumiso ukuthi athenge On The Rocks. Will Umshengu agree to the purchase of On The Rocks? And then Ukata and Ulokunja, they're planning their wedding or renewal of vows. Will the renewal of vows happen, considering that Umamkunu is now going to be arrested because a case is going to be opened, and Undumiso agachechele morao? Umakazi ukwatele uFakazile because uFakazile does not take advice. But most of all, Umakazi is just upset with the whole relationship yakafakazile nabantu bakamshengu ukuthi like, what have the Shabalala people did for you or did to you that is so bad because you keep on chasing after them like you don't have a belonging, you know? Every turn when abantu bakhona, every turn when abantu bakhona. But they tried to mend the situation kancane laphana. I don't know if their relationship is now back with a bang, but they are going on a date on the Roxy just to eat something and then chill. Also, Usbusiso is like pulling his socks as a dad, but now kune predicament yokuthi uDidi is in a date with Utoba, and they are trying to push this relationship. The question is, when Ulokunja finds out, what's going to happen to this relationship? Because one way or the other, Usbusiso is gonna find out. We know ukuthi iSphiri la kule story asihlali isikhathi eside, and I think that is why we love My Brother's Keeper so much, because they always get straight to the point.